Hi, my name is Nicole, and I am a mom of two. And like most moms, I had been struggling with the question of what's for dinner. Every day it seemed like, even though I knew dinner time was coming, I was not prepared. I would do my grocery shopping on the weekend, overspend on our budget, come home, look at my grocery bags, and think, what did I even get for all of that money? And then dinner would typically be something like pasta or pizza or takeout or something with chicken. And after a few months after our son was born, my husband and I started realizing that we weren't feeling great and we really wanted to make a change to our diet. So I started looking at meal plans online, and I stumbled across Vegan Family Kitchen, and I cannot express how thankful I am to have found these meal plans. They show up in my inbox every other Wednesday. I do my grocery shopping online on Saturday, and I follow the list that's there. Then Sunday we do our food prep, and then during the week I just look at whatever is for dinner, and it's so easy to put together. One night it might take 2 minutes to put the ingredients together that we've prepped, and sometimes it's putting stuff in the crock pot in the morning, and then by dinner time it's ready. It has cut down our stress at dinner time. It has cut down our consumption of food that is not healthy for us. We feel fantastic. We feel like we're eating more vegetables and healthy foods than we ever have in our lives, and we are just really thankful. We can't recommend it highly enough, and we are really looking forward to the rest of the year and seeing what's in store. It feels really good to look at the week and see all of these creative meals planned for us, and then to be able to enjoy them is really a gift. So thank you so much, Vegan Family Kitchen. We love you, and we know that anyone else out there interested will love it too.